Hello students, now today we will discuss the next topic in stoichiometry, volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution. Volume strength of H2O2 solution. You get question frequently on this topic, volume strength, in your almost all examinations. In fact, in all examinations you get questions based on hydrogen peroxide, different properties, reactions of hydrogen peroxide. Because you know that hydrogen peroxide can act as oxidizing as well as reducing agent. Because in hydrogen peroxide O have oxidation number -1, it can go to high oxidation number 0 or to low oxidation number -2. So in the reaction hydrogen peroxide can act as both oxidizing and reducing agent, and it is very important question given almost every year on the reactions of hydrogen peroxide. Among them one property is volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solutions. If you take in market samples are available of hydrogen peroxide, that bottles of H2O2 have labeling on them, like if you take suppose sample of H2O2 bottle, it may have label like 10 volume, 20 volume, like that. The label is given on the bottles of H2O2 like 10 volume, 20 volume, etc. इस लेवल का मीनिंग क्या होता है कि सपोज एग्जांपल दे 10 वॉल्यूम 20 वॉल्यूम 30 वॉल्यूम एंड सो ऑन commonly given is 10 20 30 वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ. दिस वॉल्यूम इज लेबल्ड इज कॉल्ड एज वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? देखिए हमारे पास क्या होता है सॉल्यूशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड, यू नो फॉर ऑक्सीजन -2 स्टेट इज मोर स्टेबल, सो हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड डिकम्पोज स्लोली, इट कैन गिव H2O plus O2. O2 given as gas form means it can decompose very slowly, but if you add catalyst then it can decompose faster. Like in this case to decompose we use catalyst MnO2 which catalyzes the reaction decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. But without catalyst, let us change this meaning of this volume strength. We are linking this volume strength of solution of hydrogen peroxide with the volume of oxygen gas at NTP and volume of solution of hydrogen peroxide. हमको इसका लिंक करना है सॉल्यूशन का वॉल्यूम का मिलीलीटर्स में या लीटर्स में. हम लेंगे वॉल्यूम ऑफ O2 गैस उसके अकॉर्डिंग सेम यूनिट में, लीटर्स में या मिलीलीटर्स में. इफ आई राइट सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल हियर, if I write 10 volume strength, this taken of hydrogen peroxide 10 volume, इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा? 10 volume strength means 1 ml of H2O2 solution, 1 ml of H2O2 solution gives 10 ml of O2 gas at NTP when decomposed completely. 10 ml of O2 gas at NTP on decomposition. इसको लिख लीजिए. 10 वॉल्यूम का मीनिंग होता है 1 मिलीलीटर ऑफ H2O2 सॉल्यूशन गिव 10 मिलीलीटर ऑफ O2 गैस एट NTP. कंडीशंस आपको बहुत क्लियर होना चाहिए. कंडीशन क्या है? NTP कंडीशंस. ओके. हाउ दिस वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ वी कैन रिलेट हियर. For calculation of volume strength we have one formula. I'm writing formula directly. First then I'll explain to you how that formula we can achieve it. Like for solution of hydrogen peroxide for the volume strength, the formula given is volume strength is equal to 5.6 into normality of solution. And this normality, for doing questions you can directly use this expression. In entrance, especially you can take JEE Main or medical, AIMS, NEET, etc. You can use this formula ready-made, but you must understand how this formula is derived. We can take this formula derivation from the given information. Now to get this information for normality, what we require? N factor value of hydrogen peroxide. Can you find when this hydrogen peroxide decomposed to give O2 gas? For this reaction we are linking with O2 gas. In this reaction for hydrogen peroxide, what should be N factor value? Because we are linking this compound with only O2 gas. Volume strength. So we can take in hydrogen peroxide O have minus of 1 oxidation number. In oxygen O2 O have 0 oxidation number. आप समझिए इसको कि in hydrogen peroxide oxygen have minus 1 oxidation number, whereas in O2 gas O have oxidation number how much? 0. Minus 1 to 0, one atom lose 1 electron, then 2 atom lose 2 electrons. One atom lose 1 electron, then 2 atoms will lose 2 electrons. So in hydrogen peroxide, when hydrogen peroxide convert to O2 gas, it will have N factor value 2. That is first point. So to relate here, आपको relate किससे और करना है? इसका नॉर्मेलिटी से, इसके वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ को. तो रिलेट का मीनिंग क्या होता है? आपका सपोज नॉर्मेलिटी इज n, वी टेक सॉल्यूशन ऑफ नॉर्मेलिटी n. फॉर फाइंडिंग द वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ, इसका मीनिंग समझिए क्या होता है कि 1 ml ऑफ हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन गिव हाउ मेनी ml ऑफ O2 गैस एट NTP. तो वी हैव टू रिलेट हियर वॉल्यूम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन विद द वॉल्यूम ऑफ O2 गैस एट NTP. ओके, टू फाइंड दिस आंसर, to find this relation we can try to do कि suppose solution of normality n. इस normality n का meaning क्या होता है? Normality of solution n means 1000 ml solution, 1000 ml of H2O2 solution has how many gram equivalents of H2O2 is equal to n. By definition of normality, 1 liter solution of how many gram equivalents? 1 liter or can take 1000 milliliter of H2O2 solution has how many gram equivalents? N. By definition, how we define normality? How we define normality? It is number of gram equivalents of solute present in 1 liter solution. 1 liter solution or can take 1000 ml solution. Now if I take 1 ml solution, हमारा aim क्या है? 1 ml solution can give how many ml of O2 gas? Will have how many gram equivalents? N by 1000. Then 1 ml solution will have how many moles? Moles of H2O2 कितना आएगा? 1 by 2 into n by 1000. कैसे? आपको रिलेशन पता है इसमें? What is gram equivalents is equal to moles into n factor value. Number of gram equivalents कितना होगा? Number of moles into n factor value. So 1 ml of H2O2 solution has number of moles of hydrogen peroxide this much. Then it can give how many moles? Moles of O2 gas coming from 1 ml of H2O2 solution कितना आएगा? इसका हाफ हो जाएगा. कैसे? आप देखिए क्वेश्चन में 1 ml 1 mole of H2O2 give how many mole of O2 gas? half mole. आप रिएक्शन देखो, बैलेंस रिएक्शन दिया है. 1 mole of hydrogen peroxide give how many mole of oxygen? half mole. तो जितने मोल आपके H2O2 के हैं उसके हाफ आएंगे O2 के मोल्स. ये दिया है 1 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide have how many moles of H2O2? this many moles. Then this many moles can give how many mole of O2 gas at how many mole of O2 gas from the solution? इसका हाफ कर देंगे. Then for this moles, what is the volume of O2 gas? So volume of O2 gas, this comes from 1 ml solution. कितना होगा? Number of moles into molar volume. Volume of O2 gas coming from H2O2, 1 ml of H2O2 solution in milliliter at NTP कितना आएगा इज इक्वल टू 1/2 इंटू 1/2 इंटू n/1000 इंटू 22400 on solving this come how much अब चेक कर लेंगे सॉल्व करने पर that come 5.6 into n that is the relation taken here that the relation taken here of volume strength हमने क्या डिफाइन किया 1 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide give how many milliliters 1 ml solution give how many milliliters of O2 gas at NTP this relation is called as volume strength of hydrogen peroxide समझ में आया कि ये वाला रिलेशन देखिए हमारा एम क्या था हमारा एम था O2 गैस का वॉल्यूम निकालना हाउ टू गेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ O2 गैस टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ O2 गैस वी रिक्वायर द मोल्स ऑफ O2 गैस हाउ टू गेट मोल ऑफ O2 गैस from 1 ml solution from 1 ml of H2O2 solution to get the mole of O2 we require moles of hydrogen peroxide to get the moles of hydrogen peroxide we require gram equivalent of hydrogen peroxide in 1 milliliter इसको हमने लिंक किया है नॉर्मेलिटी से नॉर्मेलिटी क्या होता है नंबर ऑफ ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट इन 1 लीटर हमारा सॉल्यूट क्या है इसमें सॉल्यूशन हमारा दिया सॉल्यूट हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड 1 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide give how many ml of O2 gas is the volume strength definition wise so in such question or expressions our aim is to get the volume of O2 gas condition of NTP is very important आप इसको ध्यान रखिए because if condition will change the volume will change देखो ना यहाँ पे NTP condition है तो हमारा इतना वॉल्यूम होता है at NTP conditions 1 mole of any gas will have volume 22400 milliliters at NTP. If I take condition some different, then what can happen? This volume will change, and then this expression is not applicable. One thing more you remember, this formula is applicable for volume strength of only hydrogen peroxide. Of only hydrogen peroxide. क्योंकि हम केवल इसी रिलेशन हम यहाँ पे क्या इस इक्वेशन यूज कर रहे हैं इस वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ को निकालने के लिए हम क्या कर रहे हैं हम यूज कर रहे हैं इस इक्वेशन को तो इस इक्वेशन के अकॉर्डिंग हम देखते हैं इतना हमारा वॉल्यूम आएगा O2 गैस का एनटीपी कंडीशंस पर 1 ml सॉल्यूशन ऑफ H2O2 से आई होप ये समझ में आया आपको रिलेशन कैसे निकाला जेई मेन और मेडिकल बच्चों के लिए आपका खाली इक्वेशन का रिजल्ट याद होना चलेगा बट जो बच्चे एडवांस का सोचते हैं उनके लिए you try to understand कि इक्वेशन आता कहाँ से because sometime the question they may change condition let's say condition can be given different temperature different pressure तब कितना वॉल्यूम आएगा O2 गैस का equation then is not applicable even for hydrogen peroxide but it is a common way of expressing volume strength by this definition only so for JEE main or we can take NEET AIMS BITSET even exam of KPI they normally use this direct equation but in other set of conditions आपको थोड़ा सा प्रिकॉशन से क्वेश्चन करना पड़ेगा इस पर ध्यान रखिए इसको है एनटीपी कंडीशंस समझ में आया ओके चलिए लेट अस टेक सम क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस ऑन दिस टॉपिक देखिए a 50 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide a 50 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide required 40 ml of 0.4 molar potassium permanganate solution 40 ml of 0.4 molar potassium permanganate solution for complete oxidation in acidic medium for complete oxidation in acidic medium full stop then find means आपको reaction है acidic medium then find volume strength and strength in gram per liter Find volume strength and strength in gram per liter of hydrogen peroxide solution. Find the volume strength and strength in gram per liter of hydrogen peroxide solution. Okay. Now try this question yourself first. Then we see solution. Now to solve this question, what we require? We have two requirements. One required is the volume strength, and second term required is strength in gram per liter. For calculation of volume strength, what we require? Normality of हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड सॉल्यूशन. अगर आपको नॉर्मेलिटी पता है, आपका फॉर्मूला क्या था? नॉर्मेलिटी इनटू 5.6 क्या आपको दे देगा? वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ. सेकंड क्या हमारा रिक्वायरमेंट था? स्ट्रेंथ इन ग्राम पर लीटर. ये कैसे निकालते हैं? नॉर्मेलिटी इनटू इक्विवेलेंट वेट. नॉर्मेलिटी इनटू इक्विवेलेंट वेट गिव द स्ट्रेंथ इन ग्राम पर लीटर of any solution. But this relation volume strength for hydrogen peroxide you can get by relation 5.6 into normality. तो दोनों पार्ट के क्वेश्चन, इस क्वेश्चन के दोनों पार्ट को करने के लिए हमारा क्या एक एम है? नॉर्मेलिटी ऑफ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड. तो लेट अस टारगेट फर्स्ट नॉर्मेलिटी. नाउ इन दिस केस टू फाइंड नॉर्मेलिटी you can take for complete reaction. For complete reaction you can write first here milli equivalents of hydrogen peroxide is equal to milli equivalents of potassium permanganate. देखिए यहाँ पर क्या लिखा है? एसिडिक मीडियम. इन एसिडिक मीडियम फॉर KMnO4 n factor will be how much? 5. n factor will be how much? 5. तो यहाँ पे क्या रिलेशन रहेगा? आपको तो थोड़ा n निकालना है. तो नॉर्मेलिटी सपोज N1V1 is equal to N2V2 formula. From law of gram equivalents, when the reaction is completed, the two solutions will have same number of gram equivalents or milli equivalents. If you take volume in milliliters, we can use common term milli equivalents. What is normality? Unknown. Volume कितना दिया हुआ है? 50 ml. For KMnO4 आपको मोलरिटी 0.4 दिया है. Into 5 इसका हुआ n factor वैल्यू. इसका मोलरिटी है, ये इसका n factor है KMnO4 के लिए. Into volume 40 ml. When you solve this part here, how much you get answer here? Normality N1 1.6. For solution of hydrogen peroxide, we get normality 1.6. It is first requirement. आपके क्वेश्चन को करने के लिए ये हमारा क्या हुआ? First requirement. Then what can be taken? Volume strength. In this case, what should be volume strength then? It is 5.6 into normality. तो कितना आपका दिया नॉर्मेलिटी? 1.6. तो 5.6 into 1.6 कितना आएगा सॉल्व करने पर ये वैल्यू? 8.96. Yes. We write unit as volume. Okay, for solution of hydrogen peroxide, we have how much volume strength? 8.96 V. V indicating volume. That is first answer. Now second part of answer, strength in gram per liter. What is the strength in gram per liter? It is normality to equivalent weight. What is normality? 1.6. For hydrogen peroxide, what is the n factor value? 2. So what is equivalent weight? Molar weight is 34 by 2. You can solve this part here. On solving at the value 27.2 gram per liter. अब चेक कर लीजिए निकाल के. So this become your answers. Answer number 1, answer number 2. So I hope it's clear. For solving the questions on the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide base, our aim is to get what here? First, normality. Our aim is to first get the normality of solution of hydrogen peroxide. Because if you know normality of solution of hydrogen peroxide, we can find easily volume strength. We also can find easily the strength in gram per liter of solution of hydrogen peroxide. I hope this question is clear. आपको समझ में आया? पहले आपने निकाला मिली इक्विवेलेंट, इक्वेट कर दिए दोनों के। आप जब मिली इक्विवेलेंट्स को इक्वेट करेंगे तो आपको नॉर्मलिटी चाहिए होता है। यहाँ तो खाली नॉर्मलिटी चाहिए था, इसलिए हमने इसका एफेक्टा लिखा नहीं, बट यहाँ पर आपको नॉर्मलिटी चाहिए, दिया है मोलरिटी, तो हमने क्या किया, मोलरिटी इंटू एफेक्टर, वो क्या होता है नॉर्मलिटी इंटू वॉल्यूम इन ml. इफ यू टेक वॉल्यूम इन ml इज कॉल्ड मिली इक्विवेलेंट्स, इफ यू टेक वॉल्यूम इन लीटर्स तो कहते हैं ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स। आपका निकाला नॉर्मलिटी, देन योर आंसर्स। ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लिखेंगे इस बार। ओके, राइट नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नाउ, देखिए रेड ए 40 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide, a 40 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide, 40 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide is reacted with excess of Ki solution. A 40 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide is reacted with excess of Ki solution. Full stop. The liberated iodine required 30 ml of 0.8 molar Na2H2O3 solution, that is hypo solution. 30 ml of 0.8 molar Na2H2O3 solution, that is hypo solution, for complete reaction. I'm repeating the question. A 40 ml solution of hydrogen peroxide is reacted with excess of Ki solution. Full stop. The liberated iodine required 30 ml of 0.8 molar hypo solution for complete reaction. Find the volume strength and strength in gram per liter. Find the volume strength and strength in gram per liter of hydrogen peroxide solution. ये आपको निकालना इस क्वेश्चन में. Okay. Now try this question yourself. Now to solve this question, let's see, to solve this question हम क्या करेंगे? We will apply same point that in the reaction, gram equivalent of H2O2 solution will be equal to gram equivalent of I2 liberated, and that is same as gram equivalent of hypo solution. So if you add gram equivalent, we take volume in liters. Anyway here written, so it says N1V1 is equal to N2V2. For hydrogen peroxide solution नॉर्मलिटी आपको नहीं दिया है, N1 मान लेते हैं, इसका दिया है वॉल्यूम 40 ml. टेक वॉल्यूम इन लीटर्स. इफ यू टेक ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट्स. फॉर हाइपो सॉल्यूशन इफ नथिंग गिवन, वी टेक इफेक्टिव वैल्यू 1 into volume 30 ml. टेक वॉल्यूम इन लीटर्स. When we equate the two relations here, what is normality? N1 coming off solution of hydrogen peroxide, कितना आएगा normality? 0.8 into 3, 2.4 by 4.6. On solving, the normality will come how much? 0.6 for solution of hydrogen peroxide. Then what can be taken? Volume strength of hydrogen peroxide. Already relation was given. कितना पर गया volume strength यहाँ पर? Normality into 5.6. Already given relation 5.6 into normality 0.6. On solving, we get how much answer? 3.36. We write unit as volume, capital V only. For solution of hydrogen peroxide, volume strength हम क्या unit लिखते हैं? Only V, capital V as volume. पहला पार्ट आपका हो गया volume strength का. अगला पार्ट क्या है? Strength in gram per liter. ये कितना पाएगा solution के लिए? Normality into equivalent weight, that's 17 for hydrogen peroxide बनेगा 10.2 gram per liter. 10.2 gram per liter. So in this kind of question, when they give for solution of hydrogen peroxide, we can take different oxidizing agents which can oxidize KMnO4, which can oxidize hydrogen peroxide, like your KMnO4, potassium dichromates, etc., barium permanganate, or whatever reaction. Just be careful. You can use the information for finding the volume strength and strength in gram per liter of solution of hydrogen peroxide. Okay. Now next example given, next question given. लिख लीजिए next question. Read the next question. देखिए. We are given 10 volume solution. 10 volume solution of hydrogen peroxide is given to you. 10 volume solution of H2O2 is given. आपको निकालना क्या? Find the strength of solution in percentage W by V. Find the strength of solution in percentage weight by volume. That's W by V. Indicate percentage weight by volume. ये आपको निकालना है. Okay? So it's very simple question. You try yourself this question first. Now to solve this question, so again it is one very important question which directly given to your examinations. Finding the percentage weight by volume, it already have come in IIT JEE exam earlier and have been repeated in some other entrance. To find this volume, find the strength in percentage weight by volume, let us first find a normality. So for solution of hydrogen peroxide, what is volume strength? क्या हमारा रिलेशन था? Normality into 5.6. तो कितना दिया आपका वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ? 10 वॉल्यूम. From here what can be normality? 10 by 5.6. What is strength first we did in gram per liter? 10 by 5.6 into equivalent with 17 or 170 by 5.6. It can be taken gram per liter or gram per 1000 milliliter. Gram per ml is same as gram per 1000 ml. You can take from here that 1000 ml solution, 1000 ml solution, H2O2 solution has how many grams of H2O2? 170 by 5.6. 170 by 5.6 grams. Then if I take solution 100 ml solution, we'll have how many grams of H2O2? 170 by 5.6 into 100 by 1000. So on solving this part will become how much? 17 by 5.6, and that come in solving is how much? 17 by 5.6 will be coming 3.03 percentage weight by volume is your answer. This percentage become weight by volume percentage is your answer. तो आप मीनिंग समझो इसमें कि मीनिंग क्या पूछा है? परसेंटेज स्ट्रेंथ in weight by volume terms, meaning if solution volume is taken 100 ml, we'll have how many grams of solute hydrogen peroxide? कितना आएगा इसमें? 3.03%. That is grams. So it's called as gram per 100 ml as the strength in weight, as strength in percentage weight by volume. Okay. If I take read on next question, लिख लीजिए कि suppose if I make solution taken 20 volume, solution of the strength 20 volume strength, then what should be the percentage weight by volume? Now no need to solve much. We have seen the example previously. You have seen this example previously that when we take 10 volume of solution of hydrogen peroxide, it have how much percentage weight by volume? 3.03%. If I take 20 volume, no need to solve, you can directly say here. Then it will have how much percentage weight by volume? इसका डबल हुआ, आंसर डबल 6.06. इफ आई राइट सपोज 30 वॉल्यूम एज वॉल्यूम स्ट्रेंथ, तो कितना पंच रहेगा? 9.09. You take any number of multiples of 10, answer will come accordingly. So if you get the exam same question, suppose 10 volume strength of H2O2, find the strength in percentage weight by volume, तो अब क्या करेंगे? Smile and take the answer. It is same answer. फिक्स है आपका H2O2 के लिए. तो 20 वॉल्यूम इसका डबल कर देंगे, 30 वॉल्यूम इसका 3 टाइम्स कर देंगे, जितना भी अपन टाइम्स करेंगे 4 टाइम, तो 4 टाइम कर देंगे इसका स्ट्रेंथ का. Okay, so that is what we can take the volume strength of hydrogen peroxide solution based questions. We'll take some more mixed questions when we take chapter completion for advanced level. It is up to mains plus advanced. We have done basically questions, but some more mixed questions we'll discuss later on.